I kind of feel happy right now because the hard work kind of paid off right now.
Thank you, Qatar, for giving this opportunity for me to be able to come here. And thank you for my mom and my dad as well, because they have supported me throughout my preparation.
We are all very grateful to all our trainers.
The Olympiad isn't the end of things after all. It's only the first step in learning, and learning is a continuous process.
Nuclear science is not something we normally get exposed to at this age, so it's been great to learn it.
And invaluable opportunity to be here. We are feeling really happy and proud of what we have done.
The best part of the INSO is collaborating with other countries.
More than the competition, I really enjoyed the experience.
Excursions, the social cultural activity, we enjoyed it very much.
You can say I'm very happy about the result.
I got a silver medal and I'm so very happy.
I got a silver medal. I'm really excited for it.
I feel really happy right now.
It was a very long preparation just to study and understand all the concepts in nuclear science. We're ready to share to everyone how good and how amazing nuclear science is for everyone.
We can show to the world that nuclear science can be used in many positive ways. This field can be a catalyst of change, of hope, and of a better future.
This is the time for you to develop and harness the potential in your interest. Make sure your contribution to the world means a lot for the future generation.
See you soon in Malaysia. First INSO!